go through two more questions on this work. Number 4, a wheel rotates at a rate of 2,400 revolutions per minute. Revolutions often gets abbreviated to revs, so if you hear of people talking about revs, when they're talking about cars and things, it's the number of revolutions that's happening in the engine. So it spins all the way around one revolution, 2,400 of these per minute. Okay, so that's what a wheel is doing in this case. How many revolutions does it make in 140 seconds? So to find how many revolutions, we'll just write revolutions equals, the rate we have is 2,400 revolutions per minute. So we need to times by a time here, but the time should be in minutes. I'm writing it down as 140 seconds because that's what they've given me, but I am going to convert it to minutes. So when you go from seconds to minutes, you're going to a bigger unit, so you're going to divide by 60 because there's 60 seconds in a minute. So for that division, I'm just writing that down as 140 divided by 60 here. Okay, you can actually do the division if you want, but I just find it's a bit quicker if we just write it like that. So then when you go to your calculator, we're just going to type in exactly what this says. 2,400 times fraction key, 140 on the top, down arrow, 60 on the bottom, and press equals, right? So it'll look like that, and we get 5,600, and we're finding the number of revolutions, so you can write revolutions, or you can just write revs if you like. All right, number 5, how long does it take? How long is asking for time? How long does it take? So we're looking for time in our diagram. So circle it. Your formula is over here. It's d over s. In other words, distance over speed. So what's our distance here? There it is. 60 kilometres is our distance. And what's our speed? 35 kilometres per hour. So remember what happens here. We can cross off our kilometres because they're the same. And our answer will end up in hours. So what I've done here, I've gone to the calculator and I've pressed the fraction key. 60 over 35 is what I want to put in. And press equals. Now that's what I'm getting. So I don't like that answer. So remember, if we press SD, I don't like that one either. So I'm going to go to Shift SD. That's what I want to write. Okay, the mixed numeral is a nice answer, 1 5/7. And then we just write hours on the end for our time. So that's the end of our examples. So now it's your turn to practice this work.